Good morning, class.
Today I am going to explain you about your subject business studies. Basically these subjects are divided into two parts, that is part A and part B. Your part A is principle and function of management. The part B we will discuss later. These are the chapters which belongs to part A and we have completed all these chapters. And at the side of every chapter their marks is also written. That is from the first three chapters each chapter contains 5 marks and the rest of the chapters contain 6 marks from each. So the total from this part is 45. So basically the motive is to aware you that how much marks contain from each chapter so that you can prepare yourself as per the marks content from this chapter. So today we are going to do a revision from first two chapters, that is nature and significance of management, and the second one is principle of management.
Now let's start with the concept of management. So basically we are going to discuss the concept of management with the four different aspect, that is productivity, human relation, activity based and continuity based. So first one is activity based concept. It's mean management is a distinct process consisting of planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling performance to determine and accomplish state objective by using of human being and others. Secondly, human relation based concept. Just simply we can say management is the art of getting things done through the others of the other people. Means the things can be done with the help of human. Now the third one, activity based concept. Its mean management is principally a task of planning, coordinating, motivating and controlling the effect of others toward a specific object. And lastly, continuity based concept. So we can simply say continuity based concept is management is a continuous process. That's why it is continuity based concept. So what are the difference between the principle of management and principle of pure science? Basically, principle of management are flexible but principle of pure science are rigid. Principle of management are relative but principle of pure science are absolute. Now the principle of management has to keep pace with the change business environment, but in pure science, the principle of pure science do not change in time. And lastly, the principle of management are not invented from laboratory, but the principle of pure science are invented from laboratory. Some says management as science, some says management as an arts, but some says management is both science as well as arts. So let's discuss management as science or art. The science of management assumes that the problem can be approached using rational, logical, objective and systematic way. Requires the use of technical diagnostic and decision making skills and techniques to solve problems. So these are the scientific management or the science of management. Now the art of management, making decision and solving problem using blend of institution, experience, instinctions and personal insight, using conceptual communication, interpersonal and time management skill to accomplish the task associated with managerial activities. So these are the arts of management. Now this is the short summary for this class. Just go through it and note down the important points in your exercise book. We need your feedback as we are aiming from good to better. So help us to serve you better. So please write on this given mail ID feedback.stmichaelsacademy@gmail.com.